Have you heard the term autophagy lately? It describes a natural process in your body. Think of it as your body's own cleaning crew. This process is essential for your health. It helps keep your cells young and functioning well. So what does autophagy actually mean? The word comes from two Greek roots. Auto means self and phagy means to eat. So autophagy literally translates to self-eating. This might sound alarming, but it's a highly controlled and beneficial process. It's your body's way of recycling and renewing. Autophagy removes damaged proteins and old cell parts. This makes room for new, healthy components. It's a key to unlocking better health naturally. Autophagy isn't a new health fad. It's a fundamental biological process. Scientists have known about parts of it for decades. The story begins in the mid-20th century. Researchers noticed strange structures within cells. A Belgian scientist named Christian de Duve played a key role. He discovered lysosomes, the cell's recycling centers. He coined the term autophagy in 1963. For many years the details remained fuzzy. Then in the 1990s, Yoshinori Ohsumi made a major breakthrough. He identified the key genes controlling autophagy. For this work, he received the Nobel Prize in 2016. So, if autophagy has been known for a while, why is it so popular now? One key reason is the growing focus on proactive health. People are looking for natural ways to stay healthy. Autophagy offers a powerful built-in mechanism for this. Another big factor is the popularity of certain lifestyle trends. Intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet are linked to autophagy. Modern scientific research has also played a huge role. Scientists are constantly publishing new studies on autophagy. These studies reveal its connection to many health aspects. The media has also amplified the message. Health bloggers and influencers started explaining autophagy to the public. It represents a new frontier in personal health optimization. Autophagy is much more than a passing trend. It's essential for the survival of almost all living things. Understanding autophagy is understanding a core part of life. The central promise of autophagy is cellular rejuvenation. It clears out old and damaged cellular clutter. This includes misfolded proteins and worn-out organelles. By doing so, it makes way for fresh, new components. The benefits of this cellular cleanup are far-reaching. It supports your immune system, helps fight invaders, and protects your brain. It's even linked to slowing down the aging process. Learning about it is the first step. Understanding how to support this natural process is next. Your cells are incredibly smart little units. Autophagy is a carefully controlled process. It turns on and off based on the cell's needs. One of the main triggers for autophagy is nutrient status. When your cells sense a lack of nutrients, they act. This happens during periods of fasting, for example. Stress is another major signal for autophagy. This isn't just emotional stress we feel, it's cellular stress like damage to proteins. Infections by viruses or bacteria can also induce autophagy. This regulation ensures autophagy happens when it's most needed. Understanding these triggers is key to harnessing its power. Once the cell decides it's time for autophagy, what happens next? The first step is to identify what needs to be removed. The cell has ways to tag these unwanted components. After identifying the trash, the cell begins to isolate it. A special membrane starts to form around the targeted items. This membrane is often called a phagophore or isolation membrane. It starts small and then expands, curving around the debris. Special adapter proteins help bring the cargo to the membrane. This ensures that only the right stuff gets captured. The phagophore continues to expand and elongate. It gradually surrounds the condemned cellular material. Proper bagging is the first crucial step in this cleanup. As the isolation membrane continues to grow, it begins to curve. It stretches and bends around the targeted cellular waste. The edges of this membrane eventually meet and fuse together. This fusion completes the formation of a unique structure. This structure is a sealed, double-membraned vesicle. It's now called an autophagosome, meaning self-eating body. The autophagosome is a remarkable piece of cellular engineering. Its double membrane is a distinctive feature. This separation is very important for cellular safety. The autophagosome acts as a temporary holding container. It safely quarantines the waste before its final processing. It's a perfectly designed transport pod for cellular junk. After the autophagosome has successfully bagged the cellular waste, what's next? The autophagosome needs to transport its contents. It must deliver them to the cell's primary recycling plant. This recycling plant is another specialized organelle. It's called the lysosome. You can think of the lysosome as the cell's stomach. It's filled with powerful digestive enzymes. The autophagosome, carrying its cargo, moves through the cell. It travels along the cell's internal highways, the cytoskeleton. When the autophagosome reaches a lysosome, they fuse. Their outer membranes merge together. This creates a new, larger vesicle called an autolysosome. Section 5. The breakdown crew inside the lysosome's recycling plant. Once the autophagosome fuses with the lysosome, forming the autolysosome, the real action starts. The lysosome is a very acidic environment. This acidity is crucial for what happens next. It activates the powerful digestive enzymes stored within the lysosome. These enzymes are like a highly specialized demolition crew. They are called hydrolytic enzymes. They are capable of breaking down virtually all types of biological molecules. This includes proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. Nothing much can withstand this potent enzymatic cocktail. The contents of the former autophagosome are now exposed. All that cellular junk, the old organelles, the misfolded proteins is trapped. It's trapped inside the autolysosome with these hungry enzymes. The enzymes get to work immediately. They begin to dismantle the waste material. Complex proteins are broken down into their building blocks, amino acids. Large fat molecules are broken into fatty acids. Complex carbohydrates are reduced to simple sugars. It's a systematic deconstruction process. This breakdown is not just about destruction, it's about transformation and recovery. The cell isn't just throwing things away, it's carefully disassembling them into reusable parts. This is the essence of cellular recycling. Imagine an old car being taken apart at a scrapyard. The metal, plastic, and glass are separated for reuse. The lysosome does something very similar at a microscopic level. It's an incredibly efficient recycling system. The process continues until all the engulfed material is fully digested. The large, complex, and potentially harmful structures are gone. In their place are small, simple, and useful molecules. These molecules are no longer waste products, they are valuable resources that the cell can use again. The acidic environment and the powerful enzymes ensure complete degradation. This prevents the accumulation of toxic byproducts. The lysosome ensures a thorough and safe cleanup. The trash has now become treasure. Section 6. Fueling the future, reusing and rebuilding with recycled parts. After lysosomal enzymes break down components, the autolysosome contains a rich soup of basic molecules. These include amino acids, fatty acids, sugars, and nucleotides. Transporter proteins move these components back into the cytoplasm. The cell reclaims these recycled materials. They can be used for energy or to create new cellular components. This process promotes cellular renewal and rejuvenation. This entire cycle is autophagy, a beautiful and efficient process. One of autophagy's most incredible benefits is its power for cellular repair. Think of your body as a vast city of trillions of cells. Like any city, structures within cells can get old or damaged. Autophagy acts like the city's master repair crew. It doesn't just demolish, it clears the way for rebuilding. This constant maintenance is essential for keeping cells strong. It ensures each cell can perform its job perfectly. Without this repair mechanism, our cells would degrade quickly. This leads to tissues and organs functioning poorly. How exactly does autophagy repair your cells? It meticulously identifies parts that are no longer working well. These could be worn-out mitochondria, the cell's power plants, or they could be misfolded proteins that can cause trouble. Autophagy carefully engulfs these damaged components. It then breaks them down into basic building blocks. These raw materials are then available for the cell. The cell can use them to construct new healthy parts. This is true recycling at its most efficient. This process of cellular restoration is vital for your overall health. When your cells are healthy and repaired, your tissues work better. When your tissues are in good shape, your organs function optimally. This means more energy, better resilience, and slower aging. Imagine a car engine that constantly has its old parts replaced. That engine would run smoothly for a very long time. Autophagy does this for your cellular engines continuously. It's a fundamental process for maintaining biological youthfulness. This repair function is a cornerstone of its health benefits. Scientific studies strongly support autophagy's role in cellular repair. Researchers have observed that enhancing autophagy can improve cell survival. It helps cells withstand various forms of stress. For instance, in conditions of oxidative stress, autophagy is protective. It clears away damaged molecules before they cause widespread harm. This reduces the burden of damage that cells have to cope with. By promoting efficient repair, autophagy keeps your cells youthful. It ensures they remain robust and fully functional for longer. This is a key secret to maintaining vitality. Beyond just repair, autophagy is a profound detoxification process. Our cells are constantly producing waste products from normal metabolism. They are also exposed to toxins from the environment. These could be pollutants, chemicals in food, or byproducts of stress. If these waste materials and toxins accumulate, they cause damage. They can interfere with normal cellular functions. This buildup is like having too much trash in your house. Autophagy acts as your internal microscopic deep cleaning service. It tirelessly works to remove this harmful buildup. Autophagy doesn't just deal with large, damaged organelles, it also targets smaller, more insidious troublemakers. These include clumps of abnormal proteins. Such protein aggregates are linked to many chronic diseases. Autophagy can identify these potentially toxic accumulations. It then engulfs them and delivers them to the lysosomes for breakdown. This prevents these harmful proteins from causing cellular chaos. It's a crucial part of maintaining a clean cellular environment. Think of it as a cellular garbage disposal for dangerous materials. This detoxification is not limited to internally generated waste. Autophagy can also help cells deal with external threats. For example, it can target certain types of harmful particles. If foreign invaders like some bacteria or viruses get inside cells, autophagy can act. It can help neutralize these threats by degrading them. This makes autophagy an important part of your cellular defense system. By clearing out these harmful elements, it protects the cell. It helps maintain the integrity and health of your tissues. This continuous detoxification is vital for long-term wellness. The scientific community recognizes autophagy as a key player in detoxification. Studies have shown that impaired autophagy leads to toxin buildup. This accumulation is often seen in aging cells and in disease states. Conversely, boosting autophagy can enhance the clearance of these toxins. This helps protect cells from damage and dysfunction. So, when you support autophagy, you are supporting your body's natural ability to detoxify. You are helping your cells stay clean and run efficiently. This is far more effective than many external detox fads. True detoxification happens from within, powered by autophagy. The powerful combination of cellular repair and detoxification gives autophagy a major role. This role is in preventing a wide range of diseases. When your cells are clean and functioning well, they are more resilient. They are less likely to succumb to disease-causing factors. Autophagy acts like a proactive shield, protecting your health. It addresses problems at the cellular level before they escalate. This prevents minor issues from becoming major illnesses. It's a fundamental defense mechanism wired into your biology. By maintaining cellular health, autophagy supports overall organismal health. Many chronic diseases have roots in cellular dysfunction. Think about conditions like heart disease, diabetes, or even some autoimmune disorders. Often, these start with problems inside individual cells. This could be inflammation, oxidative stress, or accumulation of damage. Autophagy directly counteracts these underlying issues. It helps reduce inflammation by clearing out damaged components. It fights oxidative stress by removing dysfunctional mitochondria. It prevents the buildup of toxic substances that can trigger disease. This makes it a powerful ally in maintaining long-term wellness. Consider the impact on metabolic health, for instance. Autophagy helps regulate how your cells use energy. It can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes. By clearing out old or damaged parts of fat cells, it helps them function better. It also plays a role in maintaining a healthy liver. The liver is a key organ for detoxification and metabolism. Autophagy ensures liver cells can perform their many tasks effectively. These actions contribute significantly to metabolic balance. This balance is essential for preventing metabolic syndrome and related conditions. Researchers are increasingly linking robust autophagy to lower disease risk. Large-scale population studies often find correlations. People with lifestyles that promote autophagy tend to be healthier. Animal studies provide more direct evidence. When autophagy is genetically enhanced in lab animals, they often live longer. They also show fewer signs of age-related diseases. Conversely, if autophagy is impaired, animals are more prone to illness. This growing body of evidence highlights autophagy's protective power. It is a natural, built-in system for keeping you healthy. One of the most exciting areas of autophagy research is its role in brain health. Your brain cells, or neurons, are incredibly complex and long-lived. They work hard throughout your entire life. Because they generally don't get replaced like other cells, they must last. This means keeping them clean and functional is paramount. Autophagy plays a critical role in maintaining neuronal health. It helps clear out waste products that can accumulate in neurons over time. This is especially important for preventing age-related brain decline. A healthy brain relies on efficient autophagy. Many neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by protein clumps. Conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are prime examples. In Alzheimer's, abnormal tau proteins and amyloid beta plaques build up. In Parkinson's, alpha-synuclein protein forms Lewy bodies. These protein aggregates are toxic to neurons. They disrupt communication and eventually lead to cell death. Autophagy is one of the brain's main ways to clear these harmful proteins. When autophagy is working well, it can help prevent their accumulation. It acts like a quality control system for brain proteins. Scientific evidence strongly supports this connection. Studies on animal models of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's show this. Enhancing autophagy in these models can reduce protein clumps. It can also improve neuronal function and even behavior. In human studies, researchers have found impaired autophagy in affected brains. This suggests that a decline in autophagy might contribute to disease progression. Therefore, strategies to boost autophagy are being explored. They are seen as potential ways to prevent or slow these devastating conditions. The goal is to harness the brain's own cleaning crew. This protective role extends beyond just Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy is also implicated in other neurological conditions. These include Huntington's disease and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. In each case, the buildup of misfolded or damaged proteins plays a part. Autophagy's ability to clear this cellular debris is crucial. By supporting this natural process, we may be able to protect our brains. This can help maintain cognitive function as we age. It offers hope for preserving mental clarity and neurological health. Your brain's housekeeper, autophagy, is essential for its longevity. Autophagy is not just about cleaning up internal cellular waste. It also plays a vital role as an inner bodyguard. It helps protect your cells from invading pathogens. These invaders can include bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Autophagy provides a powerful defense mechanism against such intrusions. It can directly target and eliminate these unwelcome guests. Autophagy's role against viruses is also very important. Some viruses can be directly targeted and degraded by autophagy. Boosting your natural autophagy through lifestyle choices can also help. It ensures this inner bodyguard is always ready and strong. The relationship between autophagy and cancer is fascinating and complex. Autophagy helps prevent cancer by clearing out damaged DNA and organelles. It reduces mutations and oxidative stress, maintaining genomic stability. However, cancer cells can hijack autophagy to survive and resist treatments. Scientists aim to manipulate autophagy for prevention and treatment. Have you ever wondered what truly makes some people live longer? Scientists are discovering that autophagy plays a big part. It's like an unwritten code for longevity, buried deep within our cells. This process of cellular cleaning is not just about short-term health, it has profound implications for how long we live, and more importantly, how well we live those extra years. Think of autophagy as a key factor in your body's aging clock. Understanding this link can empower you to influence your own lifespan. It's a fundamental biological process with far-reaching effects on aging. The core idea is simple. Healthier cells mean a healthier, longer life. Autophagy ensures your cells stay in top condition. It removes the junk and recycles parts, keeping cells youthful. When individual cells age slower, the entire organism ages slower. This cellular rejuvenation directly translates to a longer potential lifespan. It's like maintaining a classic car meticulously. If you keep every part clean and well repaired, it runs for decades. Your body is far more complex, but the principle is similar. Autophagy is that diligent mechanic for every single cell. How does autophagy specifically fight the aging process? It combats many of the cellular changes that define aging. One major factor is the accumulation of damaged proteins. These sticky, dysfunctional proteins can disrupt cell functions. Autophagy clears them out before they cause too much harm. It also removes old, inefficient mitochondria. Dysfunctional mitochondria produce less energy and more harmful free radicals. By recycling these, autophagy ensures your cells have clean energy. This reduces oxidative stress, a major driver of aging. Scientific studies in various model organisms confirm this link. Researchers have experimented with yeast, worms, flies, and mice. These are common models for studying aging and longevity. When scientists enhance autophagy in these organisms, they often live longer. For example, genetic tweaks that boost autophagy can extend their lifespans. These studies provide strong evidence for a causal relationship. Autophagy isn't just associated with long life, it actively promotes it. While humans are more complex, these findings are very promising. They suggest that supporting our autophagy is supporting our longevity. Living a long life is one thing, but living a healthy long life is another. This concept is often called health span. It refers to the period of life spent in good health, free from chronic disease. Autophagy is not just about adding years to your life. It's critically important for adding life to your years. Imagine reaching old age with vitality, energy, and a sharp mind. This is the true promise of understanding and supporting autophagy. It's about quality of life, not just quantity of years. Autophagy helps ensure your later years are active and enjoyable. How does autophagy contribute to a longer health span? It does so by actively combating the cellular decline associated with aging. As we get older, our cells naturally accumulate more damage. This cellular junk includes misfolded proteins and worn-out organelles. If this debris isn't cleared efficiently, cells become sluggish and dysfunctional. This dysfunction contributes to age-related diseases and frailty. Autophagy is the body's primary way to prevent this buildup. It keeps cells cleaner and functioning more optimally for longer. This means your tissues and organs remain healthier as you age. Consider the common signs of aging we often see. Things like decreased muscle mass, wrinkled skin, or slower organ function. Many of these are linked to declining cellular health. Autophagy helps maintain the integrity of muscle cells. It can support skin cell renewal, potentially slowing visible aging. And by keeping organ cells efficient, it helps maintain their function. For example, healthy liver cells are vital for detoxification. Healthy heart cells are essential for cardiovascular strength. Autophagy plays a role in all these areas, promoting overall vigor. Therefore, enhancing autophagy is a strategy for healthy aging. It's about staying resilient and functional as the years pass. You're not just trying to extend a period of decline, you're aiming to extend a period of vibrant health. By reducing the burden of cellular damage, autophagy helps prevent disease. This means fewer age-related illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, or neurodegeneration. The clean cell advantage provided by autophagy is profound. It's a proactive approach to aging gracefully and healthily. This makes autophagy a cornerstone of any anti-aging strategy. Scientists are fascinated by people who live to be 100 or older. These individuals, known as centenarians, often enjoy remarkable health. Researchers study these groups to understand what contributes to their long lives. Could efficient autophagy be one of their hidden advantages? The study of centenarians offers valuable insights into healthy aging. Their biology might hold keys to how we can all live better, longer. Exploring their cellular mechanisms is an active area of research. Some studies suggest that centenarians may indeed have more robust autophagy. They also examine lifestyle factors common among these long-lived individuals. Certain gene variants found more frequently in centenarians are linked to autophagy pathways. This suggests a genetic predisposition for better cellular cleanup. It's like they were born with a slightly more efficient internal recycling system. This could help their cells resist damage and dysfunction over many decades. Their cells might simply age slower due to this enhanced maintenance. This biological advantage could contribute significantly to their extended health span. Beyond genetics, lifestyle factors common in centenarian populations are also important. Many traditional diets in blue zones, areas with high longevity, are notable. These diets often involve periods of caloric restriction or fasting-like patterns. For example, the Okinawan tradition of harahachi-bu means eating until 80% full. Such practices are known activators of autophagy. Regular physical activity is also common among healthy centenarians. Exercise, as we will discuss later, is another powerful way to stimulate autophagy, so their lifestyles might naturally promote this cellular cleaning process. This combination of genes and lifestyle could be their winning formula. While we can't change our genes, we can learn from these observations. The link between centenarians and potentially enhanced autophagy is compelling. It suggests that maintaining efficient autophagy throughout life is crucial. It's not just about what happens when you are already old, it's about consistent cellular care from a younger age. The habits and perhaps the genetic makeup of centenarians point towards this. They underscore the importance of this natural self-renewal process. Their example offers hope and guidance for our own longevity journeys. Autophagy could be a shared secret among the world's oldest and healthiest people. Section 4. Eating less, living longer. Caloric restriction and autophagy's power. Caloric restriction extends lifespan in animals. It means reducing calorie intake without malnutrition. Scientists have observed its remarkable effects. A key answer lies in autophagy. Caloric restriction induces cellular cleanup. Cells become more efficient and resourceful. They shift to maintenance and repair. Autophagy is central to this response. Cells break down non-essential components. This makes cells more resilient. It's a survival mechanism with anti-aging benefits. Consider long-living populations like Okinawans. Their diet is lower in calories. Lower caloric intake promotes autophagy, leading to many healthy centenarians. The link between caloric restriction, autophagy, and longevity is strong. Glimpses of autophagy-enhanced well-being. Adopting autophagy-boosting lifestyles shows promising health improvements. Many report significant changes in well-being. These stories align with scientific insights. They offer glimpses into the potential of harnessing this internal process. People are experiencing real changes in their well-being. These transformations often involve improvements in areas linked to aging. Metabolic health, energy levels, and even cognitive clarity can be affected. These personal accounts highlight the practical impact of supporting autophagy. They bring the science to life in a tangible way. Consider someone struggling with early signs of metabolic syndrome. Perhaps they have high blood sugar, excess belly fat, and concerning cholesterol levels. They decide to try intermittent fasting, a known autophagy booster. After several months, they might notice significant changes. Their blood sugar levels could stabilize, and they might lose weight. Their doctor might even note improvements in their blood lipids. These changes reduce their risk for diabetes and heart disease. They often report feeling more energetic and mentally sharper. Autophagy, working silently, helps repair and rebalance their cells. Another example could be an older adult noticing some cognitive fogginess. They might be worried about age-related memory decline. They learn about autophagy's role in brain health. They begin to incorporate regular exercise and a diet rich in autophagy-promoting foods. Perhaps they also practice time-restricted eating. Over time, they might find their mental clarity improving. Their memory might feel sharper, and their focus could be better. While not a cure for established dementia, these lifestyle changes can be supportive. Autophagy helps clear out cellular debris that can impair brain function. These examples illustrate the potential for positive change. It's important to remember that individual results can vary. Autophagy is one part of a complex health puzzle. However, the pattern is encouraging. When people make consistent efforts to stimulate autophagy, benefits often follow. These benefits are not just about preventing future problems. They can manifest as tangible improvements in current health and vitality. These transformative tales inspire us to explore autophagy's power. They show that we can actively participate in our cellular renewal. Partnering with autophagy for longevity. Autophagy is deeply connected to longevity. It's an internal mechanism, a powerful ally within your own body. It works tirelessly to keep your cells young and efficient. You can actively contribute to a longer, healthier life. Autophagy tackles aging at its source, the cell. It's a holistic approach to aging well, from the inside out. People who promote autophagy often feel and look better. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference, pave the way for a longer, more vibrant life. We have explored the amazing world of autophagy. We know it's your body's natural way to clean and renew cells. Now, you might be wondering how to turn up this powerful process. The good news is, you have considerable influence over it. You don't need complicated drugs or expensive treatments. You can unlock and enhance autophagy through simple, natural lifestyle choices. These choices send signals to your cells. They tell your cells it's time for a spring clean. This section will introduce these powerful, natural triggers. The key to stimulating autophagy lies in creating mild, beneficial stress. This might sound counterintuitive as we often think of stress as bad, but certain types of controlled stress are good for your cells. They act as signals for your body to adapt and become stronger. Think of it like exercising a muscle. A little stress makes it grow. Autophagy is one of these adaptive responses. When your cells sense these specific stressors, they ramp up their cleaning efforts. This helps them cope better and become more resilient. We will explore these beneficial stressors in detail. What are these natural triggers we can use? The most powerful ones involve how and when you eat. Intermittent fasting is a star player in boosting autophagy. The ketogenic diet also plays a significant role. These dietary strategies shift your body's energy sources. This shift is a strong signal for cells to activate autophagy. Exercise is another major way to turn on this cellular renewal. Specific types of physical activity are particularly effective. We will dedicate sections to each of these key methods. Beyond these main methods, other lifestyle factors can contribute. Certain foods and natural compounds may offer a gentle nudge. Even practices like getting enough quality sleep are important. Managing chronic stress also helps your body's systems function optimally. This includes the delicate machinery of autophagy. Our goal is to provide you with a toolkit of practical strategies. You can choose what works best for your life. By understanding these triggers, you can take control. You can actively promote your body's own healing and rejuvenation. Intermittent fasting stimulates autophagy. It means creating regular periods where you don't eat, giving your digestive system a rest. Your body focuses on cellular repair. Cells start cleaning house. Autophagy gets a boost. Blood sugar and insulin levels fall. Low insulin triggers autophagy. Cells recycle components for energy, making cells more efficient. There are many ways to practice intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 method. The benefits of fasting-induced autophagy are numerous. Always consult with a healthcare professional. The ketogenic diet is a powerful way to enhance autophagy. It's very low in carbohydrates, moderate in protein, and high in healthy fats. Your body starts burning fat instead of glucose. This metabolic state is called ketosis. Like fasting, it triggers autophagy. The keto diet tells your cells to clean up and become more efficient. Following a well-formulated ketogenic diet can provide sustained autophagy benefits. The enhanced autophagy is an added, powerful bonus. How exercise ignites cellular cleaning. Exercise is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. It stimulates autophagy, clearing out damaged proteins. This helps recycle components for energy and stronger tissues. Different exercises stimulate autophagy in various tissues. Endurance and HIIT are particularly effective. Regular, moderate exercise also makes a difference. Consistency and challenging your body are key. Exercise is an investment in your cellular health. Section 5. Beyond diet and exercise, extra boosters for autophagy. Fasting, keto, and exercise are primary drivers, but other factors can support autophagy. Compounds in coffee like caffeine and polyphenols show promise. Green tea, rich in EGCG, is another example. Quality sleep is crucial for optimal cellular function, including autophagy. Temperature stresses might also influence autophagy. These hormetic stressors can trigger adaptive responses. Managing chronic stress is essential for overall health. Section 6. Your autophagy action plan, simple steps for daily life. Integrate these strategies sustainably. Start with small, manageable changes. Consistency is key. Listen to your body. These are tools to support your health. A balanced approach yields the best results. We have traveled through the fascinating world of autophagy. You now understand it is your body's own cleaning crew. This natural process is absolutely essential for your health. It is a form of self-eating that leads to renewal. This amazing system works deep inside every single cell. It is vital for your daily functioning and well-being. Autophagy is always active at a baseline level, but the exciting part is that you can significantly boost it. This gives you power over your cellular health. The benefits of enhancing autophagy are truly remarkable. We have seen how it promotes profound cellular repair. It acts like a master mechanic, fixing things from top to bottom. Autophagy is also a powerful detoxification system for your cells. It diligently clears out harmful waste and toxic buildup. This helps to shield you from a wide range of diseases. It plays a crucial role in protecting your precious brain cells. Ultimately, it promotes a longer and, more importantly, a healthier life. This means more energy, greater vitality, and overall improved wellness. Let's briefly revisit the science, keeping it simple. Your intelligent cells can identify old or broken parts. These could be worn-out organelles or misfolded proteins. A special double membrane then forms around this cellular trash. This creates a tiny bag called an autophagosome. This bag then travels through the cell to meet a lysosome. The lysosome is the cell's powerful recycling plant. It contains enzymes that break down the waste into reusable bits. These building blocks are then used to make new parts, refreshing the cell. So remember, autophagy is not just another passing health fad. This is an ancient fundamental wisdom embedded in your body. Modern science is now catching up, proving its immense power. It is a cornerstone of cellular health and overall vitality. Understanding this process is the first step to harnessing it. You can learn to work with your body's natural intelligence. This is far better than working against it with poor habits. This knowledge empowers you to strive for better well-being. Autophagy is a true ally on your health journey. We have explored the practical ways to stimulate this amazing process. Intermittent fasting is a key method, giving your cells a needed break. Regular exercise, both endurance and high intensity, is another powerful trigger. They are entirely natural and accessible to most people. This adaptive response strengthens your cells from deep within. Beyond these primary strategies, other factors offer support. Managing chronic, unrelenting stress is also incredibly important. This allows your autophagy processes to thrive and work effectively. Autophagy is your body's secret weapon for a longer health span. Enjoy more healthy, active years full of life. Imagine reaching your later years with energy, clarity, and strength. Autophagy keeps your cells youthful. It's fundamental for aging gracefully. Supporting autophagy is a wise investment. Keep your cells clean and efficient. This is proactive healthcare. Autophagy's preventative power is profound. It's your partner in achieving well-being. Improvements can be life-changing. You don't have to accept decline. Cellular renewal is within you. Shape a healthier, vibrant tomorrow. Learning about the incredible power of autophagy is a significant first step. Now translate this knowledge into simple action. Even small, consistent changes can activate this process. This is your personal journey towards better cellular health. Progress, not perfection, is the goal here. This approach makes the journey enjoyable and achievable. Always remember that autophagy is your body's natural ally. The lifestyle changes we have discussed simply support its vital work. Listen carefully to your body's signals along the way. Trust in your body's wisdom and its capacity for renewal. You are equipped to live a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Here's to your health, your vitality, and your rejuvenated self.